Hey Artland, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw DOODLEZILLA. Now, to start off with this, we're going to begin with the body. So I'm going to start right here, and you just want to draw a nice line that's just going to kind of curve up, and that's just going to curve down. Next, starting here, you want to draw a line that's just going to curve right down here. And that's just going to curve out. It's going to go across, and it's going to curve up. Then I'm going to do the same thing here, draw a little line that curves down. I'm going to curve this one up, and then it's going to come down and go right up to here to make it look like he's walking. Then right here for an arm, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve down like this. It's going to go up and then down, up and then down for a little hand. And then it's just going to come back here. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to kind of curve up and then come down. It's going to go up and down, up and down, up, and then it's just going to curve right back to the body. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that goes out, and then it's just going to curve right back here for the tail. Now, right here, I'm going to make a line that goes down, and then it's going to curve up, and then one right here that goes down and curves up. I'm going to make a line that goes down. It's going to kind of curve around and then come up to form the eye. Then same thing here, curve down, go up just a little bit, and then curve right up to here. Then I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve around. It's going to go down, and then it's going to come to here. Want to put some little V shapes here, and then some little V shapes here, and a little curved line for the tongue. Then a little curved line here. And I'm going to put 2 dots for the nose. Then you want to draw a little line here, and then a little line here. And I'm even going to throw a little line underneath the eyes. Then right here, I'm going to draw a little circle, and I'm going to draw another smaller one and color this in. And then same thing here, a little circle, add another one, and then just color this in. Then I'm just going to add some little spikes onto here. So you just want to add some little rounded kind of triangle shapes all the way around here. And you're just going to bring them all the way down to the tail, to about there. Then I'm just going to add a couple little lines on here for some toes. And there you go. There is your drawing of DOODLEZILLA. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.